I know it don't look it. This trail, for me anyway, some people ride it like it ain't nothing. It is crazy steep, man. Off camber, ugly. So I'm trying to ride it and just get more used to it and be okay with it. Like this bit right here, that's steep to me, boy. It's pretty rain rutted too. Probably doesn't help. Good job. Okay, see if we can set up wide here. That's better. Still ugly, but it's better. And right here, off that. Oh boy, that was terrible corner change. And that drop in the middle, the very first time the park was open, that drop was there. And I was like, ain't no way I'd ever do that. But here I am today doing it, so yeah.